Okay, we are Accessible Miami, a travel guide for individuals with special with disabilities. Our team consists of Sabrina, Harper, Lauren, and Krista. An outline for this presentation. First, we'll talk about the problem, then the solution proposal to the problem, the IA and the wireframes, the prototype, the coded website, our next steps, and our team. So the problem is disabled travelers to Miami have difficult finding accommodations and need an easy reference for travel. As a team, we started with the assumption that it was difficult for those with accessibility needs to navigate a city they are visiting. For the challenge, we chose Miami as the first target city. So our solution proposal to the problem is creating a responsive website with an accessible travel guide for Miami. We did user research in 20, our concept based on user research done in 2021 and 2022. Our solution is better than existing solution because no product exists where an individual can search for all accessible transportation, activities, places to stay, food, and drink in Miami. Travelers have to spend time searching multiple websites for this information.
Hi, I'm Krista. I'm going to talk about the IA and wireframes. We did hand sketches, site flow, user flow, Figma, Lo-Fi, and Hi-Fi wireframes before starting the coding. Here's a site map. It's pretty basic. We did a user flow with 5 different flows to do activities, food and drink, stay, transportation, or extras. Here's some sketches of the process. This was an initial website coded that we've been working on from this point forward. Here are some Figma black and white wireframes. I did prototype these as well. Here's what they look like starting in color. And here's the prototype.
Okay, so we are currently working on the website, but so far we have our homepage, which we have 4 buttons, which will lead to each page, and then we have a navigation bar on top. And all these buttons will take you to another page, and it will have all our resources or things you can do connected to the button. And
there you go. Sorry.
Okay, we used hand.
Did I lose you?
We used GitHub, Photoshop, and the coding languages we use are CSS and HTML, and we also used Visual Studio. So this is our live website in progress and in process. And so as you can see on the home page, we have our navigation bar, and then we have buttons that will take you to each page, like I said earlier. And then we have our mission statement on the close to the bottom, and then we have another bar at the bottom with an about us and all our team members and their links. And then we also have a contact us. And
so we're going to talk about next steps really quickly before we run out of time. We would go back and do some additional coding to clean it up, to make it a better match the prototypes. We have a survey out right now with a prototype being tested with users that we would analyze that data, and we would build out additional functions in next steps. We've all learned a ton. 3 out of 4 of us had never done a hack before. So lots of coding being learned and lots of working remotely and how we do this in such a short time period. And we want to thank you so much for listening to us today. All 4 of our contact information is on here, and thank you so much.